In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track contractors for filing 1099 in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing a business and need to keep organized records for tax reporting, particularly when it comes to contractors, this guide is just what you need. We'll walk through each step so you can get your 1099 forms filed without a hitch. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, you should look over to the left-hand panel. That's where you'll find the Expenses option. Go ahead and click on Expenses to open it up. This section helps you manage all your financial transactions. And for today, it's our gateway to managing contractors. After selecting Expenses, take a look at the top of the page. Near the top, you'll notice a tab labeled Contractors. Click on this tab, and it will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the contractors you've entered into your system. This list is an essential tool for reviewing and managing each contractor you work with. With your list of contractors in view, direct your attention to the top right section. There, you'll find an option labeled View 1099 Filings. Clicking on this will lead you to the section dedicated to your 1099 forms. QuickBooks Online makes it straightforward to access and check your 1099 related documents, streamlining the process of preparing for tax season. Next, you'll need to make sure you're gathering the correct information from your contractors. To do this, simply look for the Gather Recipient Tax Info button and give it a click. What QuickBooks does here is quite helpful. It takes on the task of reaching out to your contractors directly, making sure you have the most current W-9 information from them. This function only works correctly if you've already input their correct details into QuickBooks, so make sure you've done that beforehand. This seamless feature minimizes the waiting times and hassles of manual follow-ups, so you can focus on other critical tasks. And that's it, you're all set. Tracking contractors for their 1099 filings in QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be a complicated process. With these steps, you ensure that your business remains compliant and well-organized, saving you time and potential headaches during tax season. Remember, keeping your contractor details up to date and taking advantage of the features QuickBooks offers will make your tax filing experience much smoother. Thank you for tuning in to today's guide, and here's to a stress-free filing season.